Everybody get ready.
Hello.
Time for meeting. Meeting. If you don't reach you, buy the meeting.
Come on, come close to me. How are you?
Thank you.
Sit down. I know they hear. Come on, talk. Loud.
How are you?
Wow. You're within environment.
Yes.
You live.
Yes.
Hey, beautiful.
Thank you.
You maga. What's it gonna? What's it go to touch again? My goodness. Make up a smile. Everything Igbo. You see color. Oh, sorry. Pleasant. Nigeria greeting way. That's how we do it over there in the home to have to come. No, me London came. My pikin walk. Grandfather come down to look around. Door jam bam.
Oh God.
Kwaria anta push no way. Door lock. Can't walk it. When them cars, since I wander around like Adam and Eve, when God pursued them come off for Garden of Eden. Now so me they walk around, no leave, no transfer. I go walk till 8 p.m. when my pikin is back to work. Me enter house. On the other, they greet them. Nobody to ask, no neighbor, nothing. Mama grandma call you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You be Igbo?
Yes.
You want Igbo?
Yeah.
Body sweet. Hey, yeah, that's I'm not being good. Oh my goodness. Hey,
Excuse me. That's what you're not supposed to say. That's rude.
Awesome.
That's rude word. Amo.
Hey! You see you want rala. Ida ni Igbo man ozbiri no ihe dawara na ntị ka amụ akaga agala na Johnson. Yamsu elebe amugo pikin you born where? Mother.
Sorry, my Igbo is Obere.
Obere. Anyway, excitement of our whole village. Good.
Where was I born? I was born here. Yes.
I'm going to UK.
Yes.
I'm on Naga.
Sorry?
I'm on Naga.
Imo State,
Umuloko Nobo.
Yes.
Come on Naga.
Yes.
I'm on Naga. Excitement, village, come. Anyway. Oh, you will have Abia.
Yes.
Father Imo.
Yes.
That is the mother married in me. Father born in me. Amo naga nimem. Alo nega nimem. Then amoga nimem. Me, Chief Imo worldwide.
Oh.
My name, Chief Imo worldwide. The whole world know me. Chief Imo worldwide from Nigeria. So your father, amo ya nimem. Your mother, alo ya nimem. Guna ngwekwan amogo nimem. Guna umunne gini brother sister. All of you amo nimem. Me, Chief Imo worldwide.
Oh.
My name, Chief Imo worldwide. So anybody from Imo is in me. Your mother married in Imo, inside me. You two born. So you are half caste, half Abi, half Imo.
Yeah, you can.
Who to go to Amato to call Imo, Mato to call Abi, and we'll call you together, produce you in UK.
So what do you mean you're the founder of Imo State?
Oh yes, I am more father of Imo State. Yes, you are privileged to meet me.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, blanket all that shit. Oh, I hung out all like info. Chineke ni o wotem si bi obodo oyibo ke. Mwa bi dem no ya to bole naka. Hold me tight, my baby.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
You know so maso.
Yeah.
Eshimushi. Smell me.
Oh no.
Me are ke wo monya papa. Ah, good. Chai. Mother can do.
She's just down the road. She's down the road.
Mother dancing on the road.
No, she lives down the road.
Oh, mother live down the road.
Yes.
What business mother do?
Oh, she's retired now, but she used to be a singer, musician.
Singer?
A singer.
Cement.
Ego, music, dancing.
Oh, Magana Gwebu.
Yes.
Nah, Baba.
Yes.
Ah, your mother sang back in the old days.
Yeah.
What
yeah.
music?
Amara Soporo. I don't know how to say it. Amara Soporo Jehovah. Many. Oh, sorry.
Chekwa. Aga m agbakwuru Jehova mgbe niile.
Yes, song.
Mgbe niile.
Yes.
Ka otito ya ga-adị n'ọnụ. Jehova taa mkpụrụ obi nke ni nọ n'isi. Ebe ndị niile dị umeala n'obi ga-ahụ ya. To Jehova.
You know the song?
Your mother sing that song?
Yes.
What is her name again, sister?
Ogoma.
Sister Ogoma?
Yes.
Anwụbele m ka ewe ọnwụ na Jamaica. Mother who gospel born again Christian those days, the modern music make me grow up good in the Lord. Oh, nigga, she vanished to London.
Yeah, she married and she's here now.
Oh, damn her. How come I like it when nigga? Me like to mother your mother. I mean, like to see your mother. Yes, I would like to see her. Me too, I'm a singer.
Really?
Musician kike.
Is it?
Wakachuku. Like the woman daughter. Mama, ngwana ba ye. Eweliwe. I mean, I agajide wo te ejide shake. Since come here, call. Ebe, joy you kukurere. I look for person. Not touch me, nobody to see. I say, get my Obere to touch him. You walk around?
Yes.
Can I walk to you?
Sure, why not?
Oh, good.
Let's go.
Hey! Hello! That's a non, oh, beautiful. Hey, beautiful picture. I like your smile, oh. Give me 5. Good one. Nice to see you, oh. Nice. Good. You tell me nice things. You didn't tell me. Is it good? Children. Welcome. Give me 5. Hello. One more. Grandpa. Grandpa. Good. Thank you. Soft hand. Oh, magic guy. All the hand is strong. And I can have oh, you don't touch him. Hello. Good smile. Good. Music. I love your mother. Told her I love her. Oh, would like to come to your house to meet your mother to me before they go to Nigeria. Yes. I will collect your number. Tell my son, he drive me to postcode. Where your mother to postcode. I need lamp. Your mother sing to me, need to sing to your mother. I have a rapport. Because me too musician. I sing. You like it? I'm gonna take I guess hey.
I go show you, Pepe.